ESL 93, Listening to, pages 181 to 182. Welcome to your last listening exercise of the semester. I know these can be challenging, but they're an excellent way to practice your English comprehension. And when we have our individual meetings on May 12th, I will provide you some resources for additional listening practice over the summer. Prepare to listen. You are going to listen to someone describe a solution to a transportation problem. Before you listen, look at the pictures and discuss the questions. Just think about them on your own. Traffic, moving sidewalk, carpooling, pollution, self-driving car. Which of these things in the pictures do you have in your country? In the United States, specifically New Jersey, we do have a lot of traffic. I've seen moving sidewalks at the airport in Newark. I'm not sure if we have a lot of carpooling, but I think some people carpool to work. Pollution. Pollution is like dirty air, exhaust from cars. Yes, unfortunately, we do have pollution here. Self-driving car. A car that doesn't need a driver, it drives itself. No, I have not seen these yet. Number 2, how do you feel about what you see in the pictures? Again, just think about your answers. What do you think about these things? Obviously, pollution is bad, but we don't use the word bad because it's not academic. We could say pollution is awful. Pollution is terrible. Pollution is dangerous. Pollution is detrimental to our health. 2, write the words from the box to complete the sentences. Repeat after me. Accident. This is almost like the X sound. Accident. A noun. Situation that causes pain or problems. A car accident might hurt someone. Bike. One syllable because it's a silent E. Bike. Another noun, a type of transportation with 2 wheels that you sit on and move by turning 2 pedals. This is a cognate in Spanish, bicicleta. Gas. Noun, what cars need in order to drive. Gas is a non-count noun. That means you're probably going to use some before it, some gas. You could say a little gas, a lot of gas. But non-count means you can't count it. So there's no such thing as 2 gases or 8 gases in a car. Idea. A suggestion or plan for doing something. Pronounce this idea. I know in Spanish idea, but idea. Problem. Something that makes life difficult and needs a solution. Again, another Spanish cognate, problema, except the stress here is on problem. Problem. Sidewalk. A hard path for people to walk on next to a road. Traffic. The cars, trucks, etc. driving on the road. Go ahead and complete 1 through 7 on your own. Pause the video now. Press play to check your answers. The answers. Number 1. The city had a new idea to make travel times shorter for people. 2. There are too many cars and trucks on the road. The traffic is very bad today. Your context clue here, too many cars. Too many. There's an abundance of cars. It causes traffic to form. 3. Oh dear, I have to put more gas in my car before I go to work. It's so expensive. Gas can be expensive, so that was one context clue, and gas goes in the car. 4. We need more roads or buses or subways. It's a big problem in many cities. 5. I like to ride my bike to work. It's great exercise. Work on pronunciation here. Exercise. Exercise. Ride my blank, that has to be bike. 6. There was an accident on this road last night and people were hurt. An accident. Remember, if an is here, this word has to start with a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. An accident. It's too hot outside in this city, so people don't like to walk on the sidewalk. Nice work. Now you're going to listen to someone describe a solution to a transportation problem. You will take notes and then we'll go over your notes at the end. Your notes might look different from mine, and that's fine. Let's preview what notes you'll be taking. Topic. You're going to hear two people talking in a classroom, and one asks the other about their topic. What is the main idea, or the thing that they are talking mostly about? Facts. Cities have a lot of blank problems. This is going to be an adjective describing what types of problems they have. Many people use their blanks. Listen carefully to find the answer to number 3. It takes more blank and blank to travel around the city. This is blank for people, and the blank is very bad. Listen carefully to the words they use and fill in the blanks. If you need to listen to the dialogue more than one time, that's fine. You can rewind the video. Let's take a listen. Let's start the first few together.
Okay, so work with your partner. 5 minutes.
Hi, hello. I'm sorry, what's your name? Oh, I'm Anna. Anna? Okay, and I'm Iman. Can I go first?
Yes, sure. What's your topic?
Transportation in cities. Problems and solutions. Okay, so I'm going to start with some facts about life in cities. More and more people are living in cities than in the countryside. This means that cities have a lot of traffic problems because many people use their cars to go to work or school or shop or whatever. With all of these cars, it takes more time and gas to travel around the city. This is expensive for people, and the pollution is very bad in some places.
What's more, being in a car for a long time can be dangerous because drivers get tired. So, what's the solution? Some cities think that bikes are a good idea, so they have free bikes for people to use. Other cities have carpooling. With carpooling, more people ride together in one car, so there aren't as many cars. There's another new idea that's interesting. It's a self-driving car. That's right. The driver doesn't have to drive the car. And because there are a lot of bad drivers, it can help stop accidents. Now, in the city of Dubai, they're working hard to find solutions for their traffic problems because there are too many cars. They plan to build a subway, like the one in London, so there will be fewer cars on the road. Another thing is, people don't like to walk on the sidewalks outside. It's too hot. So a big shopping mall there has an inside sidewalk that moves. Nice, huh? It's air-conditioned and goes from the mall to the train station and other places near the mall. It's not short either. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to walk it, so people get exercise, feel comfortable, and more importantly, don't drive. These are some solutions some cities are.
All right, you heard the girl share her facts. Then she uses the word solutions, so you know that this part is coming next. Some cities think that bikes are a good idea. Other cities have carpooling. There's another new idea that is interesting. It's a self-driving car. It can help stop accidents. These were the exact words that she said. Now, your problems and solutions might look a tad different, and that's okay. But one of the problems she mentioned was too many cars. The solution to this problem is that a subway is being built. Past tense of build. The result of this solution, that means what happens because of the solution, there are fewer cars on the road. So these three things go together. And then we have another problem with a solution and resolution. The second problem she mentioned was people don't like walking on sidewalks. The solution is inside sidewalks that move. And the result is, you could say, people get from place to place easier. Now again, your solution might look a little different from mine. That's fine. Think about the questions at the bottom of the page. Excellent work.